This
from the
conference will now be
Definitely,
recorded.
definitely differences will be there, but not much. Maybe like basics are same only almost,
Okay.
but some command outputs might be different. Some advanced level is different, so different only for different distributions. So Amazon Linux, Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, all are same. Almost 99.9% same only. These four distributions. Ubuntu, Debian different. Okay, there are so many other distributions also. So again, those are out of matter. Only these things only will be used in real time most of the times.
In general, in companies, what do they use, like Linux or Ubuntu, like which one?
That's what like I told here. Mostly Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, Amazon Linux. These four distributions only.
Okay.
Okay, so because of the maybe easy functionality and because of support also, maybe you can see so many support forums also. So any application will get easily here. So that is where these Linux distributions are most commonly used.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, in today's class I'm going to start. So as I say, I'm going to continue yesterday's topic. So as I told you, so text processing tools. Okay, we have seen find command. Again, what else, guys? Sort, grep, unique. What else we have seen yesterday, guys? Apart from this four.
Grep.
Yeah, only 4.
Grep. Sorry. Grep.
Grep already showed. Now arc.
Yeah. Cut.
Z.
Cut.
Locate.
Okay.
Text.
Yeah. So
Unique already there, right?
maybe extracts.
Text.
Hmm?
Text. T-E-X-T.
No, we don't have. We don't have. Okay, fine. Okay, so these are the text processing tools. So we have completed up to here, right? So I'm going to start arc now. Okay, so what is arc? So guys, arc is again one of the text processing tool from any output, guys. Maybe here example, like you received some output, guys. Example, maybe LSBLK. So what LSBLK will show you means, it will show you how many hard disks you have. Here, if it is a maybe manually, if you run these commands, you can easily identify like how many disks available. Okay, here I can say simply one disk available in that one partition. It is mapped to slash drive, something like that. But if it is something maybe automation, okay, so how we can identify? We have to again process this text, guys. Something which information you need. So exact, so maybe based on column, based on row. Okay, so we have to extract this value. Okay, we have to extract this value. Example I'm saying, guys. So I'll maybe this is I think instead of this one, I'll give you one more example, guys. What is this file, guys? Anybody? What is this file, guys?
Tells you the number of users.
Exactly, it will show all the users which are available in my system. Okay, for example, if it is manually, maybe if we are running this command, if we open this file, I can say, so these are the users available. But in terms of automation, so how can you tell that? So you have to extract these values. Example, I need a user names. I want to count how many users available in this file. So basically, guys, this file is a this file has information about users, how many users available in your system. Okay, so you may see so many users, guys. Most of the users are application users, guys. Okay, so from here, your actual users. but total, I want to see how many users available here. How can I make it? So compulsory, you should extract these values, guys. I need a usernames. So very simple. So arc is one of the command, guys. Okay, arc cut. First, I will show you cut. Then after that, I'll go with arc command. See what is cut command means, guys. Cut command will take any output and based on the delimiter. Here, which delimiter is nothing but separator, guys. So if you can see in all the lines, like what delimiter I can take to get to extract this value, guys, to extract the first field. What delimiter I can
Colon.
use?
Colon.
Exactly. So colon. So like this, you have to identify to extract this value. What is the common field in every line? So that one you have to find. You have to make it as a delimiter. Okay. Here colon is common in every line. So if I make it colon as a separator, so I can extract this value, right? So hyphen f. So which field it is after the delimiter or before the delimiter? So this is F1, first field. This is second field. This is third field. This is fourth field. This is fifth field. This is sixth field. This is seventh field. Like this you have to count. So always delimit after the maybe. So if you take this as delimiter, so which field it is? This is the first field. So I can make it first field. See guys, I extracted only what value I need here. Then after again, maybe what things you want to do from this list, that is secondary. At least see, I'm able to, I no need to separate my values manually. Simple, cut is the one of the tool, guys. From any output, you can extract the values based on the delimiter. Okay, example, this one. Okay, so guys, here in this output, I need a user information. W will provide you how many users currently logged in. Now I need a first field. What delimiter I can use it here, guys? What is the common delimiter to extract this value now?
Space.
Space or a tab.
Exactly. This is the delimiter. So same command again. W pipe symbol. See guys, pipe symbol will be used many times. So first command output, I'm sending it to second command. FND. So delimiter, I want to use space FNM. So which field it is? My user information.
First field.
First one.
F1.
First field. So again first field. Okay. So from this output, still some gaps I am getting. Okay. So this one. So guys, here there are some options like head and tail options. Okay, head and tail options. What are these means? So this head command, like maybe first 10 lines, first 20 lines, I want to get. So in that case, head is the best option. Again, in the same way, from last onwards, in that output, how many lines you want to get? Okay, so maybe from top to bottom or bottom to top. It's your wish, guys. Tail means bottom. Head means top level. Okay, so from that output, which output you want to get? So here my requirement is I don't want this first line. So I'm getting some empty line here. Okay, so why? Because here see, it is taking this line also, right? This line also here after the delimiter. Is there any value for the first maybe before this what I can say space? No, right? That's where it is showing empty, guys, here. So here this is fine. This is the first parameter. This is first parameter here. So every line it will pick, guys. So in this, so W, it is forwarding the output to the second command. Here, second command I'm using as cut. So cut delimiter I used as so based on output, you have to choose these values, guys. Okay, so here head is again like my option. So to remove first line, just a minute, guys. So it also has so many options. Just a minute, my system is slow. Let me check the option. How to exclude? Can someone just search it? How to exclude first letter, guys? First line in Google.
Amma do
How
grape.
to
Haven't we?
exclude first line in Linux. Oh, with head command you can do actually. So that's what I'm checking. Just a minute.
Amar sed command.
I'm sorry.
Sed SED.
Yeah, this command. Tail is working. N+2. So it's ignoring the
Problem
first line.
with head also is the same thing with reverse, like -n,
Yes,
-1.
definitely. Head with the head also, the definitely that option should be there.
Yeah,
Okay,
means with
this
just saying
example I'm
-1.
showing.
Yeah, head of
Yes,
-1.
definitely, with head also definitely it should be there. Head hyphen and something, some option should be there. Starting with line 2. Oh yeah. Okay, definitely with head also you should have the same option, guys. Compulsory somewhere. I think it's showing set 1D also. Just a minute. Yeah, it said also it's working, guys. So 1D means first line it's we are ignoring. Okay, it's getting only, even if you want to ignore this also, you can make it, I think 2D. 2D it's taking. Okay, maybe from that line again, let's ignore said. Again,
Grape have.
we can do the same. 1D. See, this is how, guys. The final goal is you have to get the output from that output. Whatever you use, many times it doesn't matter, guys. Any number of times you can send the output to the next command. So see here, so this command is providing like who logged into my system currently. Okay, so this command, from this command I'm getting only username. Somehow I'm getting some spaces, somehow I'm getting some user. So actually this is not a user, this is just heading. Okay, this one. So I want to ignore that also. So these commands I used. So based on your output, you have to use these options, guys. Okay, so next, so one more example I will show you. Here, guys, arc also works in the same way. How cut is working, in the same way arc also works, guys. Okay, so what is the difference between arc and cut means? Arc works in the basis of exact column, guys, but cut not like that. So example here, how many spaces you have, guys? Guys, here how many spaces you have in a first line?
6.
Multiple. Minimum 2-3 spaces are there. Here also same. Do we have same here also? No, right? Here only one space. So arc will consider, it doesn't matter. If you take one delimiter, it will consider this as one column. But cut not like that. Cut exact whatever the delimiter you have taken. So example, you have taken one space. So it will take this second field as a F2 only, even though that is space also. So let me show you. Cut -D. If I take one space here, -F1. So let's take F2. See guys, your output, you're not getting a proper output. If I go with cut here, because the delimiter, if you see in first line I have multiple spaces, here I have multiple spaces. It's not taking these all spaces as one space, guys. Okay, but when it comes to arc command, it will take it as one space only, that one. Arc. It will take all this as one column. It doesn't matter how many spaces you have. Arc, print, dollar. So which field it is again? It's maybe example I want to get $2. So this one is second field. See guys, it doesn't matter. So arc and cut both are same only almost. But what is the difference? With the cut command, it will calculate exactly. Example, if you take one space, so next space if you have also, it will take it as a parameter. See, it is taking as F2, this one F2 again. Here this is, your cut is accepting this as F2. That's where it is printing first two lines empty, third line it is showing as this one. But whereas arc command, it is not
Amar,
like that. See, it is considering whole as one space only. Yes.
Amar,
Tell me.
what about delimiter here?
By default space only. Arc will accept by default delimiter as this one only, space only. You no need to give any delimiter here by default.
Suppose if you want to give delimiter, what option we should use?
-F is the option.
Okay.
Example, something else. I don't want to give space as a delimiter. Example, I want to make this as a delimiter. So -F is the option. Depends on option. I want to give different maybe. So example, colon I want to give. See, now see, I'm taking this colon as a delimiter. So now this is the first field and this is the second field. Complete after colon whatever the data you have. So we don't have another colon here. So a complete data it is taking as F2 only, $2 only. See, if I want to give any delimiter except space, then you have to go with colon. Sorry, -F. -F that colon. Example, instead of colon, I want to give some other. So maybe I want to make it as RO. Okay, so or else maybe, so it should be in every line actually. We'll take. Any common data here? Any common value here? Yeah, so no common data here. It should be every line, guys. Then only that works.
Size,
Huh?
8G
size,
is
Again, size also, that keyword should be there. Here, there is no size of a word, right? I'm talking about that field or that character. If I give size as a delimiter, here where is the size keyword? In this line, we don't have size keyword, right? The keyword should be there.
8G,
8G also, here we don't have that then, 8G. It will be empty then. Right, it should be common for every line. That is my intention here. So always remember that, guys, the delimiter should be so it should be common for every line. That should that line only you have, that keyword only you should take as a delimiter. Okay, so maybe I'll give you one more way. Clear the screen. So same output, I can get it from that also. -D delimiter -F1. Okay, same output I can get it from arc also. Arc print $1. But as I told you, arc will by default take space as a delimiter, right? So I don't want to take space as a delimiter. I want to take a colon as a delimiter.
Single quote.
Yeah. See, arc and cut both are same output I'm getting. But arc is advanced command, guys. With arc command, you can do so many things apart from cut command. Okay, so with arc command, you can make multiple delimiters also. Not multiple delimiter, multiple options you can get, guys, here. So something I want to get $4, maybe $5. See, guys. So maybe let me give. See, multiple options you can give. Here, $1 and $5 you are getting. $1 means first variable, first. So after this, maybe whatever the delimiter you are using, right? So for that, $1 means. So here in this output, this is $1 because this is a delimiter, right? Delimiter, right? So this is $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So I want to get directory also. Okay, so that's where. So here home directory is, sorry, not this one. Sixth field I need a home directory also. I can go with a command. See, it's printing home directory of the directory also, that user also. But with cut command, I can, I think only one option, only one parameter you can extract with cut command, not multiple. So you have with arc only, you have more options compared to cut. So whichever is comfortable to you. All I need is my output, guys. Which output? Okay, here example, your user. Okay, you would like to get username and with your home directory. See how simple it is. You no need to extract manually, guys. Simple. By using this extract commands, you can do it. Again, I want to maybe insert some data, guys, here. So very simple. Okay, here example, I want to insert some data. See, guys. So how simple it is? Root home directory is root. So maybe it's /6, right? Sixth field. See, root home directory /root. You can insert some data also while extracting. I no need to write manually after getting the data. See, simple. How simple it is. Again, you want to search only something root directory. Simple. Search it. Root. You get only root. It seems somewhere also you have. So as I told you, what is grep command, guys? Grep is grep will search. So wherever this keyword is available, it seems root keyword is there in 2 lines. So it's printing 2, but I need only 1. So guys, there is one option. What is this means? Cap symbol. So it will print only wherever root, so that line starts with root. See, all I need is my output. So for that purpose, I should use these shortcuts, these extract commands. Say I'm able to get only my output completely. So I'm taking full file as a input here. I'm sending it to R. There I'm extracting first field and sixth field in every line, including this data. And from that output, I'm extracting only root. See, guys, This is what automation, guys. In shell script also, these kind of values only, these kind of extract commands only we will use, guys. Example, you want to get last 10 lines. Okay, you don't want to get guys all the lines. So because output is very huge output, okay, you know that last 10 lines only, definitely my value will be there. So I want to get only last 10 lines. See guys, it will print only last 10 lines from your output. Tail command will always print your output from bottom, guys. You can tell, you can inform to tail. So take n commands, sorry, 10 lines. Hyphen n means number. So I'm taking only 10, last 10 lines. So again, I need only first 10 lines. Head hyphen n 10. It will print only first 10 lines, guys.
Pipe.
Pipe I'm missing. I hope guys you're understanding what I am saying.
Amar,
What I am trying to say. Yes.
I want to print first column and first row only.
Just a minute. Yeah, see, only first 10 lines. Yeah, tell me Dhanaji what you are saying.
I want to print first column and first row only.
Means only in first row, this first value mark only, right?
First column and first row.
You can remove $6 and just give head minus N1.
First row means this one.
Yes,
First column means whole column or only this one?
Print
whole
$1
column.
head and
Whole
head
column.
minus
Maybe
You're just looking for a root then, right? So that will be just $1 and minus
Just
head minus
$1.
N1. Or just $1, yeah.
actually that is fine. N1. You will get only first line. But he is
Only
asking
root.
apart from that whole column also. Okay, here first row it will come. First column means again some, maybe there should be some common point to extract in that way.
But if you want in one row, then you just get root, right? That's it. So you don't even need $6 and that home directory.
Exactly. So if it is first column, maybe
That's just root, yeah.
that's what. Actually, the output would be different. If you see this file, the output is not like this, right? If you need like this output, you have to use arc command something. Only example, I don't want to process anything. Simple, I want to print only first line from this output. Simple. Head hyphen n1 is enough. It will print as it is. So, but what Danaji asking means first complete row and plus all the column also, first column also. I don't think so. Again, you have to write some again condition for that and all. So by using this extract tools, you cannot make it in a single line. It is not possible as per my knowledge. You have to do in multiple commands in that way. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is what head, tail, again arc, then can say cut commands. So are you clear about these commands, guys? Actually, there are so many things to do, guys, on top of these commands. I'll give some scenarios also. Okay, so don't worry. Yeah, someone said something.
Yes,
Tell me,
Ravi
guys.
side.
Yes, Ravi, tell me.
Yeah, actually, so, suppose if you want to print 1 to 6 columns, okay, with the help of awk, and we need to omit 7 columns. So how could you do that?
Yes, it is possible.
Okay, we need to specify okay everything, right?
Like this. Maybe you want to omit 6 star, make it 7. It will print
Yes,
only.
yes, that's
See,
fine.
it is printing only like whatever the parameters you need. So guys, Arc has so many options, not only these options. So let me show you.
Amar, one question like so now let's say the list that you're showing, it also has a kind of a header, right? Like name, user, and all. I want that record as well as just the last record. I don't want like the record. So it's like head and tail together. So can
Come again,
we so if we
come
just
again.
do cat etc pass wd like it has some header also, right? Like name you okay.
No, no,
Uh,
we don't
this
have
one
header here.
no, this one doesn't. But probably your ls uh, yeah, so like this user tty, so I want this user tty from login and just the last record like ec2 users last like the last row, so it's like both head
Uh,
and tail together, right?
no, no, not like that again. So here, just a
Only
minute.
use
So tell me
same
one more
command.
time. What is your requirement here?
So I need user tty from login
We'll
idle.
go one by one. Okay. Just a minute.
Yeah,
First,
first
let me pick first value. What do you need? Tell me.
first record like you the header.
First.
I'm calling it as a header.
This
User tty
one, huh?
from yeah the entire record.
Only
Yeah.
this one you need, huh? Or you don't need this one? These values?
I don't need. I need only the last record again, not the
This
middle
one?
record. Yeah, both so that I get the header and the
You are
last.
saying that this line and this line I need. You need.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we'll try for that. First of all, so then arc not required. You need complete record or you want to
Complete.
get some extract
Complete.
some values here.
Complete.
Complete, huh? Okay then. So in that case, so. I
What
don't
I
think
was
so in a single line.
actually
I
is
don't
like
think so in single line. Just a minute, just a minute. I don't think so in single line we cannot make it. Single command
okay.
in a single row. Because here, so if you take maybe header, if it is somewhere, maybe at least you want to ignore something above or bottom, maybe top or bottom, you can do it with the tail or head command, right? But here you are asking that something middle one you want to ignore.
Yeah, understood. Like
Mm,
probably kind of scripting we can do it,
We can do
yes,
that,
or
right?
anything
Amar,
scripting we can
we
do
can
it.
pipe head and tail together, and we can
no,
omit
then
that line.
then it will already omit the records, right? After that, you cannot do a pipe again on that command.
That's what.
Probably again you can pipe and just say W again. I don't know.
Maybe
Yeah,
definitely the
pipe
option should
W
be
head, then pipe W again, and tail.
not
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I don't know if it works.
like
I want to try it out.
initial. Mm,
That's okay, Amma. That's something we can do as an exercise, I guess.
Yes, exactly. Something we have to do R&D then. So
Yeah.
definitely that kind of scenarios also might be possible. Okay, you may want to ignore one or two lines in between. So that is also that kind of request also you may get, guys. So we have to again find out which way, how to extract that particular line. Okay, first two lines or maybe last two lines, something like that. So, but I don't think so. Enough within a single line it is possible. So we have to write again shell script, set of commands then multiple ways, then club them. So that is what I am thinking.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but good question, valid question that is. Okay. So guys, did you understand what is the purpose of arc and cut commands now? Hello guys. What is the purpose of arc and cut command, guys? What is the
Extract part of
purpose?
the output.
Exactly. So if it is we are doing manually, we can easily identify something, guys. Example, cat /etc os-release. What is this file, guys?
Number of
Tells
What is
users
this
in
file?
the Linux.
tells the
Sorry.
Linux release
Not
basically.
users. This is a
It gives
OS
the
Linux
release
release.
distribution,
release information.
OS
So,
distribution.
example, if you manually open this file, you can say that this is Amazon Linux. But I don't want, I want to automate. I want to get only this value, guys. So what should I do? Can someone please help me? I want to extract this output. Only it should print Amazon Linux 2. What should I do?
We can use AWK.
From this output? Huh?
You can use a grep command.
Yeah,
Which
AWK
command?
and
Grep command.
AWK.
First grep. Okay.
Pretty name.
So Amazon Linux means first, so only pretty name, because if I go with Amazon Linux 2, here, like we cannot go with this one. I need this name actually. I want to, because if I go with like maybe Amazon particularly, here how can you know that it is Amazon, right? So it might be Ubuntu. In that case, Ubuntu will be there here. So we cannot go with this value. We should go with this. We should grep with this value. So it would be common for every OS, guys. If you open this file, in every OS this value will be there. So we can grep with this one. Only that line it will print then. Okay. So here I want to extract that Amazon Linux 2. What should I do from this output? Only that OS name I need. What should I do? Guys, only OS name I need. It should
Pipe
not
it
match
with
the
the
pretty name.
pipe
Pretty
it with
name
AWK
equals
and
to
delimiter equal to.
and string.
Okay. Arc or cut command also works.
Yeah, cut minus D equal to and $2. Sorry, F2.
What delimiter? Which delimiter I have to use here?
Equal to.
Equal to.
Exactly, equals to. Okay, hyphen F. So which field it is? The required output.
2, F2.
Exactly. This is how you have to extract the output, guys. You have to extract and you have to store this value into some, maybe some output. So something like this. Release equals to. So guys, what is this line means? So always remember, this is a back quote, guys. This is not a single quote. Whatever this symbol I used, right? This is back quote, not single quote. Okay. So what is this means? So release equals to, I am running one command actually. Okay. So this command output will be stored in this release key. Okay. Here, so this is not a back quote, guys. This is a, sorry, this is not a single quote. If you see beside to 1, tilde symbol is there, right? Tilde, then one more quote symbol is there. That symbol this is. Remember. So any command output, if you want to store, if you want to execute and store it in any variable, then in that point of time, guys, you will use this back quote. Remember this, guys. It is not a single quote. I'm clearly saying it is not a single quote, guys. It is the back quote. Okay. See, now if you do echo How to check the variables, guys?
Dollar echo dollar variable name.
Exactly, guys. So remember this, guys. In any Linux box, if you see dollar symbol, that means, see, guys. So I'm calling dollar release, means I'm calling release value. I want to call this release value. So here, what is the release value, guys? Here, whatever the output you received, that output it is stored in release. See, it is printing my value. So what I can say? So guys, echo is one more command. It will print as it is, whatever you given. My OS release is dollar release. So guys, simple release is different, dollar release is different here. Always remember, if something in Linux anywhere, if you see dollar mean, it is not a just a as it is a key. It's a
Variable
variable.
substitution.
Exactly. It's a variable. See here. Here also I'm using release, but simple release. It will print as it is now. See, my OS release is Amazon Linux. So this is what scripting is, nothing. Final output you should get in this way. So example. Okay, so this is nothing but script. See, 3 lines I triggered. First command, sorry, this one first line. Second, so 2 lines. I got my output. My OS release is Amazon Linux 2. So based on this condition, you can take your next steps. So always, guys, these commands very important in writing shell script. Extracting the outputs from your total output. Extracting the value. What value you need. Okay, next. What commands pending now? Exarchs. So guys, what is exarchs means? So guys, I need this value and this value. What should I do now? It should print, if I run my command, it should print ETH0 IP address is this one. That is my requirement now. What should I do? If I do manually, I can make it, but I want to automate. ETH0 device IP address is this one. That is what, that should be my output. What should I do? If config, so ETH0 you can do. So this command, okay. From this output, I should get, guys, ETH0 output is this one. Sorry, IP address is this one. That is my out. That should be my output. So anybody here, what delimiter I can use? There is no command point. If you go with F1, F2, something like that, this is F1. If you go with a space delimiter, this is F1. So, but if you give F1 here, there is no value.
Grep inet.
Just a minute, guys.
Mm. Mm.
Hello? Sorry guys, we'll wind up the call for now. Maybe, okay, something wrong here. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Maybe try to get this output, guys. Okay?
All right, Amma. Yeah, sure.
Sure,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
take it.
We'll make it
Yeah.
tomorrow. So guys, try to get this output. I need this line and this one. If I run my command, what should I do for that? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.